Welcome to TransCredit, where we provide credit reports for the transportation industry.
While we do provide some great credit tools, we're here to show you one of our premium services, Factor Fast.
Factor Fast is a white label service specifically designed for factoring firms.
As a factoring firm, you can set up a portal for your clients through a direct link on your website, giving them access to get approval by simply entering the name of the debtor and the amount of the invoice.
You have the flexibility to determine the approval parameters based on your individual company standards.
We can completely customize those parameters to include credit score, days to pay, average credit balances, or whatever approval criteria you need.
Factor Fast allows you to set up as many users as you need.
So anytime you onboard a new client, you can add them as a user and they have access to their own portal. With Factor Fast, your clients can know within seconds if a potential debtor is approved or declined.
And they'll get an email when a request is run that shows all the details.
Additionally, you can create a no-buy list.
So even if a potential debtor has good credit but they're problematic, when clientele tries to get approval, they'll get a decline instead.
Your clients will no longer have to call in every time they need to get an approval, and they'll have support after hours and on the weekends, so your carriers won't have to miss out on potential loads.
You also get daily reports showing which clients tried to get invoices factored and whether or not those invoices were approved or declined. What's even better, you only get charged for their approvals.
Factor Fast is a great way to better support your client base and does so affordably. We thank you for watching and encourage you to check out our website at www.transcredit.com.
Also, check out our YouTube page at TransCredit.